Advantage Lifetime Support is a structured program of support that comes with every Zoneworks site, Zoneworks XT, Zoneworks XT Hive, and has done for the last 15 years or so. It's a free package of support that includes training, software upgrades, product advice, basically assistance for anyone operating the system, whether that's a facility manager, an electrical contractor, an electrician looking after a site on the building owner's behalf, or for the building owner themselves. That comes with every Zoneworks system. We find that it increases the effectiveness of the system because the people running the system are using it properly, and we can guide them or nudge them this way or the other with a bit of advice here and there. That's what Advantage Lifetime Support is all about.
ALS, Advantage Lifetime Support, gives us the confidence that Clevertronics are going to back us for the length of the contract. Ultimately, there's no risk for the customer.